What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. I'm Guy. So today is Sunday. Today's the 30th. I am pretty much a week away from running Riley Bowman's 2-day pistol IQ course. I haven't shot in probably about 3 weeks or so. So I just came out here today. It's currently 9 degrees. I'm freezing my ass off, but I want to run Riley's pistol IQ standards. I'm going to do it cold. So I have a clean B8 up. I have a clean shot timer. I'm at the 10-yard mark. First test is his accuracy test, and that's basically a half test. So 10 yards, but it's 5 rounds, 5 seconds from the holster. I have a Smith & Wesson M&P Core 2.0 with a Hollow Sun 508T in a Filster floodlight, rocking some 147 grain flat nose Federal. So let's just see how I do. Again, this is completely cold. Okay. Time on that was a 377. I can see that I threw 2 shots in the 9. So out of 50 possible points, it's going to be a 48, but we'll go take a look at the hits. Yeah, and those are my last 2 shots too. But yeah, so that's 3, 4, 5, 48 out of 50 total points. You divide that by 2, so that's 24 out of 25 possible points. Let's move on to the next one. All right, I got my clean A zone there. We're going to be doing the draw standard, so 7 yards, A zone, 2 rounds. There's a clean timer. So that was clean and a 162. Let's go look at the hits. There's my 2 hits. Again, that was 162. So I'm going to go ahead and mark those hits really quick, because I'm going to go ahead and reuse this A zone for the next run, which is the bill drill. All right, so you can see those hits are marked. Let's move back for the bill drill. All right, there's the cleared timer. We're going to see how this Terran Tactical mag extension runs. I haven't run it yet. I figured see how it does. I have 6 rounds loaded in there for the bill drill, so let's see how we do. .230 was the time on that. So let's take a look at the hits. Looks clean. So there's my first shot out of the holster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So clean bill drill. 230 was the time on that. All right, let's move on to the next, which is transition. All right, there's my 2 clean A zones. This will be for the transition standard. There's a clean timer. So basically you can shoot this one how you left. You can shoot right, left, right, or left, right, left. I'm going to shoot left, right, left, but it's basically a bill drill split between 2 targets. So 2, 2, 2. So let's check our gear, make sure everything's good to go. Okay. Adjust myself a little bit. All right, clean timer. Let's see what I do. Transitions is something I struggle with, and it's because I don't shoot it enough. But hopefully it's something I'll get better at with this class from Riley. So, see how I do. Swap that around because that'll be for the next drill. All right, so that was a time, I know it wasn't a good time, of 3:28. And I have a line break, but line breaks count, I believe. Oh yeah, that's in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that was again in 3:28. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and post up for the last run, which is gonna be the throttle challenge. All right, and last but not least, the throttle drill. I'm praying to God that little guy stays up there because I wasn't smart enough to bring fresh cardboard, and this shit is all shot to shit. But let's see what we do. Clean timer. God, I am cold. By some miracle, that little guy stayed up. So, time of 4:11. Let's go take a look at the hits. So, 2, 2. And that's a cutter, but there's 2. So there's the time once again. I will go ahead and leave the last part of this video. I'll show what all my times were and what my score is. I look forward to training with Riley. I'll probably have a little bit of content on that when I go to the class. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share, subscribe. Thanks for checking it out, and y'all have a great day.